Hey folks, here we are in pursuit of the rare beach chicken. It has been spotted just up ahead. Let's see if we can get closer. There it is. You hear it? That's the cry of a very angry beach chicken. Let's see if we can get closer. We can zoom in closer. It's treacherous walking here, so let's see if I can get through this without injury. Okay, looks like we got that down. I'm going to pause here and then I'll bring you guys back once we get closer to the rare beach chicken. Okay, we're now on the beach, getting closer to the beach chicken. Oh, he's turning to look at us. Or she. There it is. The long-legged beach chicken. Rare animal. In the background, some kingfishers are having the battle of their lives. Oh. What are those things? Those are baby beach chickens up ahead. Look at that. That's what's going on. This is the mama beach chicken. And those are the baby beach chickens. This is a dangerous situation because she will be a fierce defender of her young. We better get out of here. Okay, we got a little bit closer. It's dangerous, but I couldn't resist. There's the mama beach chicken looking over her baby chicks, feeding in the water. You can tell they're all beach chickens because they're all gray and they have long beaks and long legs. And you can also tell by the habitat. It's a beach. That's where you find beach chickens. That's also where you find beached whales like this one over here. There's another one up ahead too. All right, I think that's as close as I want to get. This is Dr. Duncan from the wilds of Florida in pursuit of strange animals like the beach chicken.